Here we have the CLS registration C50 UCH, which is 2006 CLS 320 CDI OM 642 engine, all injectors fitted, and it runs beautifully when it's running. No smoke, perfect. But I've got this problem where it will not start without prolonged cranking. I did the fuel filter before I changed the injectors. I think one of the injectors is leaking back. No air leaks, no fuel leaks. The only thing I've changed is the injectors. So it has to be one of them, doesn't it? If I leave it 10-15 minutes, it'll be even worse. If I leave it overnight, that'll take 20 or 30 seconds. Perhaps you could just advise what I do next, please.